I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your favorite roundaway girl, Taylor Sierra. We do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, then we bring it on back, and we're back with another video, you guys. So I'm excited. I am showing y'all how I'm sewing my hair in. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I did not record the whole process because it's honestly repetitive. Okay, you do the same things over and over, so I'm just here to get you started. That's it. I'm not here to just, sit you all the way through, but it's okay because you can still get the gist of it because it's very much repetitive. If you can do these couple of steps, you can do a full sew-in for real, for real. It does take a lot of practice. It takes a lot of determination and a lot of time, but it's okay. So, yes, y'all, right here, I am just braiding down my braid that I have for my braid pattern. I did my braid pattern, y'all, the day before, and then I oiled my hair for like 24 hours, and then I go ahead and start sewing it in. So, yes, you guys can see we getting started. I ain't wasting no time, okay? So, just keep watching.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're going enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. Yeah.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
turning on my own again. Reaching out your home.
Okay, so boom, we got the first bundle in. I'm just showing y'all how it's looking, how long it is. Y'all know how it is when you on the verge of getting your bundle sewn in. You just want to touch it, flip it, swing it, do all of that. And I'm on my computer right there, y'all. That's my work laptop. You got to kill two birds with one stone sometimes, okay? Period. So keep watching. On to the next. Really quick, because I know somebody may ask, but y'all see me wrapping the thread around the needle twice, and this is to just create a knot so that my tracks can stay in place. I hope that makes sense. It makes sense to me. See, wrap, I pull, and that right there is creating a knot so your track is not going to go anywhere, sweetie.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my
some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again, love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, you act so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone this way you don't end up. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. Yeah.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Hey, oh, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally.
drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got
Okay, you guys, so I'm finally finished with my hair. As y'all can see, y'all, I curled it. I know in the last clip it was straight, but you know that never really stays the same. So yes, this is the Nadula hair, the 22 inches, all 3 bundles. So like I said, I curled it, and it's looking amazing. Like, look at this. It's giving what it needs to give. I'm sitting down, but let me stand up so I can show y'all how far this comes. Literally right here, y'all. I'm 5'2", so it literally comes to my hip, 22 inches, and it's still long curled. As y'all can see, it's very lustrous, it's shiny, it's doing what it needs to do. So I love it. I absolutely love it. And this is my first time trying to do the hair, so I'm gonna be able to give y'all the scoop, the 411, even though I know this is like, you know, people been wearing this type of hair. But this is my first time actually wearing this hair, and this is not sponsored. This is just me doing my own reviews like I usually do on hair bundles. But so far it's good. You remember I told y'all again in the last clip that I didn't think that it was gonna be enough hair as far as like the fullness of it, but I actually like it. This is how I like my bundles. I don't like them too thick because that's just not cute to me, and then I don't have like a big head, so I don't really need like a super thick head full of hair. I just don't need it, you know what I'm saying? I don't like it. That's not my preference, but it's super cute. Oh, so wide tooth comb, but y'all know I'm missing some teeth in my comb, but it is what it is. And then I'm using like this just regular type of comb, and my curls are still there.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could
pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna talk y'all ear off. I would definitely do like an updated video, or if I'm doing like a get ready with me video, couple months, not a couple months, but well, probably, I don't know, sometime down the line, then I'll talk about it. But I don't think I'm gonna dedicate a whole video to like, oh, I'm gonna do a hearing review. Like, I think I'm gonna do that. But if you guys are interested, then comment down below, let me know. Slide in the DMs. Y'all know I respond to y'all when y'all slide in my DMs, so that's that. But yeah, y'all, I really don't got too much else to say about this hair. Like I said, I really just installed it. I just wanted to come and show y'all the end results of everything. And baby, this is the end result. Super cute. Yeah, you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I'll be clinging on to you, and then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you, coming back around to you. I'm coming back around, and even on your worst day, love you in the worst way, circling around for eternity, going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Drifting on my own again, reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with you? If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. I'll be clinging on to you, and then begin again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you, coming back around to you. I'm coming back around, and even on your worst day, love you in the worst way.
Got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, cut throat, shot trees with the Drake.